Well, today is the 15th of December 2023 and I'm in Carrer del Temple. I was last here in September reporting on the progress of the work, or lack of progress of the work as I saw it on that day, here in Carrer del Temple. This is where the Templar towers are, and the local government, the new government, said that they were going to speed up the work and get it all sorted out and get it all done. And they actually put some dates on it. So interesting to walk down now just to have a look to see what, if anything, is going on. Well, there well and truly is stuff going on here. And the windows, the ones that were all boarded up, have now been opened up. There's acros in there, supports in there, and seems to be an awful lot of work going on. And there is a sign at the top there which says that it's a project to rehabilitate the towers of the temple, and there is €1,838,000 on the table to get it done. The company name is Regal. They're the ones that are actually going to be doing it, and they've got 17 months for it to be completed. So this is one for me, I think, to keep my eye on, and come back every now and again just to see what progress is being made. But really good to see that work is actually started now on this magnificent structure with such wonderful history. Thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.